So at a high level, Passivhaus is ultimately a different way to design, build and live.
Passivhaus is really a design methodology. It's something that is very well tried and tested in different living environments overseas predominantly, and quite new to Australia.
My name is Dave Marnie. I head up our Better Buildings team at Business Hype, and I'm also a director of sustainability. We focus on optimized outcomes for built form to deliver a really clean, comfortable indoor environment quality, low carbon, low energy, highly efficient buildings. Passivhaus pretty much exclusively focuses on three real key aspects. So thermal comfort, how we feel inside our homes. It results in a really consistent air temperature.
The air flow is controlled through both a filter and a heat valve. The heat pump alternates and takes cool air, turns into warm air, takes warm air, turns it into cool air.
Energy efficiency, so typically we see up to 90% reduction in heating and cooling energy in a house. So you get reduced energy bills, which as we all know, energy is pretty expensive here in Australia. So the lower we can make energy affordability for people, it's a great outcome. And then air quality. So having really high quality filtered air, all Passivhaus buildings have to have heat recovery ventilation, which means you get a constant supply of fresh filtered air 100% of the time. So you've got a really high quality, low dust, low CO2 internal air quality.
And so the end result is a home that is incredibly stable from a temperature standpoint, that has the cleanest air you can imagine. It's far more acoustically sound, so the windows, the glazing, which is where a lot of the heat transfer happens, need to be either double or triple glazed. It's nice and quiet and peaceful, even if there's sirens outside and a busy street down below. And at the same time, costs 70 to 80% less to heat in summer and cool in winter.
Housing is a right for all humans, and to live in high quality housing that promotes healthy environments and impacts on our health and well-being. It's not just where we live, it's where we work. And that's something that all humans deserve, a high quality living environment.